Vacation done. Cool it with piece of ice. What's the dealio? What's going on? What's the dealio? What's the dealio? Vacation done. Vacation done. Finito. What's going on? What I deal with? What never miss me?
I'm done.
What never miss me? Oh, we love you. We love you too. Wow, it's a thunderstorm where I am.
Queen Spice is back from vacation. If you didn't know, she took the second half of September for herself. She didn't take any shows. She didn't do any appearances or any of that. She just relaxed, just chill, right? So it's all over today though, because she says she back to work.
Oh, never miss me. Where is your first show after the vacation? I don't know yet. Yes, hi. Oh, no, never miss me. Dolly Body Official. Wagwan. Well, yeah, I don't have much for say. I just want to know some day I'm about same way. My black same way. I'm ear blue same way. And not change same way. I'm loving up same way. And I'm back. Same way. Yeah, vacation done, you know. I just felt like coming live to say hi. And I'm about to get off live right now because I reach my location.
Now, Spicy, I try to stay clear of the drama. You see what I say? She never even say nothing too much with the Vanny thing when I tell she just make a little story post and thing. And even the airport thing, she never to respond to it. But leave it up to my friend, Chaddy Murray TV, for ask her about it. So Chaddy comment and ask her, say why she deal with the airport staff that way. Which it turned out that was my fault also, people, because I mean say airport staff. That was my bad. It was not airport staff. Make Spice tell you now who.
I'm here go outside. Why you deal with the airport staff? So it wasn't the airport staff. First of all, let me explain this to you guys. You see, when I don't like what you do, I tell you no buy now. And every time I come on the something, when I ask me something from a mix-up and foolishness, it wasn't me. I was not at the airport. I was not there. That was not me. That video was photoshopped. That video, it was photoshopped. It was not me. It wasn't me. Like Shaggy, it wasn't me. But it wasn't an airport staff. It was somebody who was rude and who thought that I probably bumped the line. First of all, I went there and I just went to the left-hand side, which is the first class line. My normal routine, I get in and check in long time. The people that are most long, the woman go cuss and say me, you know what? I didn't come on live for that, guys. I came on live to say hi to my fans and to let you know that Shaniqua na work there what on miserable Shaniqua Christian na work there. Mother like me for the work there. You saw as my compound like your rear. So what can I what she say? She miserable. I'm bitter. Shaniqua love me. I know people business too much. But like I said, guys, it wasn't me. That video was photoshopped. I reach my location. Bye guys, I love you. Me hear somebody all about women are there. Jamaica, me there, yeah? Bye. Jamaica, me there, Jamaica. Bye.
Yeah, big up Spice. So Spice not really want to get into the drama, but she gave us enough information. Say it's not an airport staff. It's a lady that thought she was skipping the line, and she has said, no, this is my regular routine. You know what I mean? I check in, and then I come at the airport and go in at this line. But I guess I saw some people just not understand how them things they work. Spice travel every day almost, so she must have some kind of system. So no more I want to check out RT Boss new song we dropped today.
Send to the 5 cent, 10 cent dollar. Send to the 5 cent, 10 cent dollar. Send 5 cent, 10 cent dollar. Left to the right back where she a stagger.
Also, I want to check out my sponsor, Yardi Cosmetics. I can't tell you enough about Yardi Cosmetics. I keep on telling the ladies them, Yardi Cosmetics is the perfect thing. All my island ladies them, check out Yardi Cosmetics, right? And then I give a free gift. You could win all of this what's up on the screen right now. All you got to do is go to their pages at Yardi Cosmetics. That's on Facebook and that's at on IG also. And tag 5 friends, and comment hashtag Yardie Cosmetics. That's all you have to do. Very easy, plain and simple, right? So if you haven't liked and followed this page, please like and follow this page for daily updates. Thank you.